Hi guys, welcome back to RBC Talk. So quickly want to talk about how the Nifty performed today, what are the trading opportunities. But in addition to that, many of you are asking either existing people in the group or the new people who are coming in, start talking to me. Everyone in general, their question is how do we use this MWD Magic levels indicator? How to use this indicator in a live market effectively? Okay, that's the bottom line. Okay, that's a question everyone asking. So I want to address that also. Let's quickly have a look at this. Okay, the market seems to be kind of like opened on the negative tone and then it reversed and then it went on and tried to close it in the negative. But that's very simple. That's very simple in terms of like, just looking at the graph and talking about that. But now, if we relate, how do we use the indicator? That will address a lot of questions here. Okay. Now, our magic level indicator is this, and you had all these settings. Let's say you disable everything, you don't remove all the settings and keep only two things, weekly, monthly, nothing else, right? So when you do this on weekly and monthly, so let me go back and show you. Okay, you will be able to see only four levels: high of the week, high of the month, low of the week, low of the month. These levels can be anywhere, it doesn't matter. Okay, these four lines only you will be able to see on the screen when you enable only those two. And don't get confused with like these are the actual low and high of the week and month. No, these are calculated values. Okay, so having that clarity, so this color is month, this color is green is for week. Weekly level remains same for the Monday to Friday. Monthly level remains same for the month starting to end. Okay. Now, if I go back and show you why am I actually showing only these two levels? Okay. This is starting of the month. You are seeing here, try to cross, here finally able to cross, and it went all the way up. Right. So the moment it crossed high of the month, it is on a positive note, right? So no, don't think it's PE here, right? It went all the way up. Let's look at this one. Okay, here I'm not able to actually show you weekly levels, but now we'll talk about that here, right? Here we try to touch no low, and then once it break down, low of the week, it tested high of the month, right? But it acted as a support. It tried to go up, but the momentum actually break down with a strong candle on high of the month, right? That means it is within the high of the month to low of the month. Once this comes, right, unless the price cross high of the month and sustain, don't go for CE. Bottom line, you remember this one because we are going to use it again. Okay, so the price is actually break down the high of the month. So always look for PE opportunity. Don't look for CE. Don't say that I missed this opportunity. It is okay to miss this opportunity, but you see, this went here, came back here, right? It's a kind of like a sell on rise. You might have heard this. Many big guys are using a sell on rise, right? This is nothing but let it go up and then sell, right? Or take a PE, right? Next day, it went try to go up, break out of this one, but with a strong big candle again, like keep quiet and go into that monthly high to monthly low, right? So again here, try to go up, try to go up, try to go up so many times the entire day. In fact, no. Next day, straight with a big red candle, it came all the way to monthly low. PE, easy PE here. Okay, so there is a good support from here, because if you look at from 540 to 750, it's a 200 points up. It's okay, but the trend always on a PE side. Again, it try to reach here, again come back here. Not able to break, trying to break the whole multiple times yesterday, but considering an expiry, they try to bring it up. And today, the moment market opened, it break down. Once it break down further monthly low, there is no thought about CE. Came down and then try to reach here and then trying to struggle and again PE side. Okay, so now that means from here to here, say, am I not supposed to take CE? You are, right? Nobody says no, but you look at the overall trend. None of us actually able to thought from for almost a week. Do you think that price Nifty is trading between these 200 points? Do we ever thought about this? Definitely no. But these levels will help you and exactly monthly high, monthly low. It's coming here, it's going up. Coming here, trying to go up. But once a breakdown, it's a further on a PE side. Very, very easy, simple understanding. Okay. And now let's say if I take a trade somewhere here or anywhere today, let's look at only today. Why to talk about in the previous days? If I take a trade here, what is the target? How do I know? That is where your other levels will help you. Daily, extended targets, VWAPs, all these will help you in a better way. When this breakdown, so you are expected to reach here. And let me see if I can actually enable the VWAPs, which will help you to get a better idea. Probably no here because the price is coming to this level first time. Okay, so probably we may need to see on the left side further to see any support level here. Okay, so it break down, you bring the stop loss here. So probably if it reverse stop loss is hit, that's okay. But if you miss out the CE, you don't feel bad. Okay, your CE is only above this. Actual long CE is above this. So the idea why I'm saying here is once this cross and sustain, there is a possibility it will go up here. Okay, but there is no chance for that today. Okay, so same way, if you look at any other stock, okay, why any other? Okay, let me finish on the Bank Nifty, and then we talk about any other stock, either CE or PE. Okay, so if I go and enable Bank Nifty, we can go back, yeah, somewhere here. This is in the second, third, and all. On the starting of the week, month, right, 2025, it is straight, it crossed. Once it crossed, you're always on a CE side. Okay, but once it breaks monthly high, so it's always on the PE side. Here, what happened is it is able to break monthly high, weekly low, monthly low, all at once, and then it's on a strong PE. Again, try to go up, again PE, PE. You see this how easy you can figure it out. Don't even need to consider CE. That's how it is. Okay, you look at anything on, like for example, crude today. Here you see a week monthly is here, weekly is here. In fact, actually, if you see, this is actually trading above this one, so it's on a positive side. But I don't want to talk about all these positive example. Today at 130, the price is trying to cross weekly high. We actually share this in group also. Once this breakdown happened, you see how fast it went all the way to an extended target, almost like from 6,400, it went to 6,700, right? 300 points up. And then there is a reversal because of these levels. That's okay. But here, if you enable, right, so we maps, and I'll just enable probably, only these. And you see what is happening here exactly. When you see a reversal here, it take a support from weekly VWAP. This is a monthly, weekly, and daily. It exactly takes a support from current week VWAP. Let me open a natural gas. You see natural gas today it crossed monthly high, and then trend is always on a positive. Even if there is a fall, unless this breaks down, don't enter into PE. It's always on a positive, right? It went all the way up here, right? Once VWAP is crossed, the trend seems to be in a positive. Or you look at a silver, for example. I'll just keep on a VWAP. Okay. See, today the price crossed this exactly at around like 7 o'clock, and the support it took is from current month VWAP, monthly VWAP, and then June, right? And then gold, exactly same pattern. It took a support and then went upside. You name any stock, any index, any instrument, and these rules applicable for all. Okay. Uh, Same thing. For example, if you look at today, TCS performed very well, right? Can we look at TCS once? Okay, so let me TCS before you get an idea. So let me remove everything again. So we'll talk about that and then we'll enable and then see what happened there, right? So give me a sec, I'm a bit slow here. Okay, so only this here, try to cross reversal, try to cross reversal. There is no CE here, right? It came all the way here, again push down. You heard that yesterday that TCS performed very well, beat the expectation of the market, so it went up all the way. Straight away it opened here. Even though Nifty seems to be completely on going down, it is able to maintain this. Now, let's say you bought it here, what should be your target? That's the next question comes to anybody's mind, right? So let me enable this the way we do it every day. So I'll put 111 and now you are in a trade. Imagine in that way, right? We know that the market opened in a positive, not market, I'm sorry, TCS opened in the positive note and advised to get into this because it crossed high of the month, high of the week. Now I had taken a trade here. What is this one? 4,189, right? Probably I had taken 4,000 CE or 4,100 CE. Now the stop loss part. This is our stop loss. You wait for this, and once these levels are breakout, you see this one, and here we were, and you look at the volumes 40K, 50K, 30K, 60K kind of a thing. But you look at this candle when there is a strong breakout 213K, right? Considering TCS, which is like 4,000 plus rupees stock, 230K is a relatively huge volume and it further push the price upside, right? So for you to, before taking a trade, you need to look from only monthly, weekly, high and low perspective. If the price is below, if the price is below any of these lower side, don't consider CE. If the price is above monthly high, weekly high, and all, don't consider PE. Okay, be positive in that when the price is above, and it really works out. Once you are in the trade, you enable all other things, and then you get to know the levels there. Okay, so hope it gives a clarity in terms of how exactly you need to apply this. And I'm like you guys can see it exactly test this level and then come down. Okay, see you see this one takes a support, and I think everybody is saying in the group also the levels are working perfectly. But your question is, how do I take the trade? I think this should help you. And we do follow a lot of other rules which we are sharing in the group. I think every day we are talking about some or other new point in a daily video also. Hope if you spend some time, because investing is not something just a quick thing, right? You need to have some proper analysis before we get into any instrument, and that should help you to make something out of that. Hope this video will help you. Okay, so in case if you are a new person to this and first time you are listening, kindly please subscribe to the channel. And in case if you are looking for indicator access, please WhatsApp to 9494246220. Okay, we'll give you the trail access. And yeah, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Have a nice weekend. Yeah, thank you very much. Good night.